guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to install a Chromium Browser on Ubuntu 18.04. Let's copy the first command and open terminal. And yes, to continue. And now we start to install a Chromium Browser. Please wait. And now the installation is finished, so let's open Chromium Browser. Waiting for Chromium Browser. So welcome to Chromium Browser. Let's check the version together. And this is the version 66. So this is how to install Chromium Browser on Ubuntu 80.04 or 80.10. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.